Thanh Nhan Hospital is situated at 42 Thanh Nhan Street, Hai Ba Trung District, Hanoi. Being located in the center of Hanoi, with convenient transportation, Thanh Nhan Hospital is known as a reliable destination to service people from surrounding neighboring provinces. Thanks to Thanh Nhan Destination Basin, the youth park, patients here can always enjoy the clean, fresh air. Throughout 60 years of building and developing, Thanh Nhan Hospital has faced ups and downs. However, with strong solidarity, the entire staff of Thanh Nhan Hospital has completed the mission to make Thanh Nhan Hospital the top Capital General Hospital. Thanh Nhan Hospital has more than 900 beds, with nearly 1,000 staff members. Thanh Nhan Hospital has taken charge of 3 main specialities of capital medicine: internal medicine, nutrition development, and emergency medicine, consisting of pediatric intensive care and toxic management. Thanh Nhan Hospital currently has 49 rooms and sections. Thanh Nhan Hospital has been developing stability, becoming a worthy place for patients and contributing to the healthcare of Vietnam's population. Features of departments and sections. In the emergency department, doctors as well as staff are always devoted, work against the clock, and bend over backwards for patients. With internalizing outstanding achievements of pediatric intensive care and toxic management, the emergency department has applied high techniques such as cardiac intervention, thrombolytic therapy for patients with acute ischemic stroke in 1.5 hours after onset for cerebral infarction patients has been conducted since June 2015. Which succeeded up to 90%. The Pediatric Intensive Care Department is one of the hospital's units which has taken a spectacular change in both skill and qualification. Many fatal patients have been resuscitated from this department. The Pediatric Intensive Care Department has fulfilled tasks assigned by the Department of Health to Pediatric Intensive Care Department of Hanoi in leading developing qualifications for the entire medical staff of the capital. Besides, the Pediatric Intensive Care Department is also assisting the Department of Health as well as the capital government in developing specialty strategies. The General Surgery Department is one of our foremost departments of Thanh Nhan Hospital. Being well qualified, trained continuously, and collaborating and exchanging knowledge from specialists from the United States of America, Japan, Singapore, India, and Korea. Our team of doctors from the General Surgery Department is skillful in performing extrinsic operations. The outpatient department of Thanh Nhan Hospital is always a trustful address for patients. In order to meet the increasing demands of patients and to take care of patients more devotedly and thoughtfully, Thanh Nhan Hospital has launched a clinic of experts in which is designed to conveniently maximize capacity in visiting. The artificial kidney unit offers the brightest and most modern space in Thanh Nhan Hospital. Exceeding other artificial kidney units throughout the country, the AKU of Thanh Nhan Hospital has been applying the latest acclaimed techniques. The Department of Obstetrics of Thanh Nhan Hospital is a reliable address for women not only in Hanoi, but also throughout Vietnam for consultations and treatment. The amount of patients arriving for visits and for giving birth is increasing, averaging 3,000 times a year. In 2006, the introduction of milk dispensers as well as clean breast milk banks has shown care from the staff in the DOB to their patients. With a clean, fresh environment, the DOB is the perfect place to bring the first cry of your child to life. The place where you can spend your first moments as a family together. To meet the increasing demands for medical examinations and treatments of patients, Thanh Nhan Hospital has added a number of modern equipment systems, such as digital subtraction angiography, MRI 1.5 TELSA, CT scanners, cardiovascular ultrasound, and 3D and 4D circuit machines. Gastrointestinal, trachea and bronchi endoscopies, mammographic shooting systems, digital X-ray machines, and joint endoscopy machines, biopsy robots for diagnostics of liver, pancreatic, and lung tumors, high-frequency lasers combined with surgical soldering, CUSA liver ultrasounds, monitor systems, the TD center of all emergency rooms, ensures the implementation of clinical and subclinical techniques in accordance with the technical classification. Further technologies have also been updated and introduced for identifying and treating rigid bones of the lumbar spine, chemical vascular node to treat liver cancer, mid-ventricular tumor surgery, laparoscopic cystoscopy, OMC laparoscopic surgery for gravel, intestinal, large liver operations using high-tech equipment, total endoscopic operations of the esophagus with and without chest opening, hepatic cut, gastric bypass D2 endoscopic dilation, lower bone invasive surgery, surgical removal of the anastomotic artery, technique for branching in the neurosis of thorns through the skin by high-frequency waves, gastric lavage technique through closed system, surgical replacement of the hip, whole knee replacement of plasma, continuous molecular absorption for severe acute liver failure, diffuse CHT diffusion of brain and abdominal cysts, Doppler vascular fetal ultrasonography, genetic analysis test for disease diagnosis. The management of the hospital focuses on the development of scientific research. The hospital is both a treatment facility and a training center for students of universities and medical colleges. The hospital regularly invites experts from the United States, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, India, and Singapore to train and improve professional capacity for medical staff. In addition, the hospital also regularly sends doctors and nurses to countries with developed medical practices to help them improve their capacity and abilities. The staff of the hospital will maintain their determination and efforts to build Thanh Nhan Hospital into a quality hospital and a reliable address for people's healthcare. Thanh Nhan Hospital will continue leading the health sector of Hanoi.